Yahoo Finance. And so what we're going to look at on Yahoo Finance today is a share of stock. The share price of the stock that we are looking at is called Square. And Square, look, it's also known as SQ. Now, Square's going for $71.35. And now, let's look at the chart. This is what the price these are all the prices of Square, of one share of stock over a whole year. So if you can look down here, see February 2018. And now, basically, we're at February 2019, right? Whoops, I didn't mean to click that. But what I do want to tell you, let's see if we can go back. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, so this is the chart for the day. The price for the high price today at 10:38 a.m. was 73. And then it got to that was at 10:42 in the morning. Then it went all the way down to 71.35.